Some voices go silent, but remain eternal. I am an Iranian woman who breathes soul into eternal faces. This time, I choose to tattoo a face who's always brought heaven before my eyes. And he is none other than the master of Persian vocals, Mohammarza Shajarian. To truly understand these words, just search his name. I engrave this face with reverence, because he was the voice of our silent days. Mohammarza Shajarian's voice could be found in every home. In the home of a lonely mother, her voice was like the touch of her child. Her face is a reminder of one simple truth. Some voices are eternal, and some souls go beyond all borders. And now, by engraving his face, I have brought that voice to life again. And please don't forget to subscribe to me, my friend. He is here. Mohammarza Shajarian, the voice of hearts.